finally, I request Team Kerala to move into the greens.
Everybody, please let's have a 1 minute silent prayer. Thank you. നമസ്കാരം. ദൈവത്തിന്റെ സ്വന്തം നാടായ കേരളത്തിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. 35ാമത്തെ ദേശീയ കായിക മാമാങ്കത്തിൽ അറബിക്കടലിന്റെ റാണിയായ കൊച്ചിയും ഭാഗമാവുന്നത് നമുക്ക് ഏവർക്കും അഭിമാനിക്കാം. കേരളത്തിന്റെ തനതായ കലാസംസ്കാരവും പ്രകൃതി ഭംഗിയും ഭാരതത്തിന്റെ വിവിധ ഭാഗങ്ങളിൽ നിന്നെത്തിയ കലാപ്രതിഭകൾക്കും കലാസ്നേഹികൾക്കും ആസ്വദിക്കാനാകട്ടെ എന്ന് ആശംസിക്കുന്നു.
Very warm morning to one and all. Kerala, God's own country, welcomes you to the mesmerizing beauty of the verdant landscape along the Arabian Sea of India. Season after season, the Wonders offers you an exhilarating experience.
National Geographic's travel magazine listed Kerala in the 10 paradises of the world and 15 must-visit places of a lifetime. Being a coastal region, rich in greenery and with a unique culture, the state has attracted tourists from across the globe since time immemorial.
Kerala is the home of stunningly unique variety of art forms which have impacted the social and cultural life of the state, adding to its typical character. Kathakali is the most popular art form in which the entire body is used to portray a story.
The National Games of India is a sporting event and it comprises various disciplines in which sportsmen from the different states of India participate against each other.
It was in 1924, in erstwhile Punjab, that Indian chapter of Olympic movement was born. The founder was J.D. Sondhi, the first secretary of Punjab Olympic Association. Lieutenant Colonel Atsallo Garrett, vice principal of Government College, Lahore, was president of the founder body.
2015 welcomes the National Games to Kerala for the second time in its 35th edition. The first occasion was in 1987 when the 27th National Games was held at Thiruvananthapuram, Kozhikode, Alappuzha, Kochi, Thrissur and Kollam.
The next 36 National Games will be hosted by Goa and 37 by Chhattisgarh.
Now to the main part of the ceremony. I take this opportunity to call upon the National Games venue convener Sri Anil James for the welcome address.
Good evening. I'm taking this opportunity to speak in English because this is a national event and I'm sure all of us will be able to appreciate English. Kerala, as you know, is God's own country. On behalf of our Honorable Minister, Sri K. Babu, and other dignitaries on the dais and off, I welcome all of you to this 35th National Games. On the dais, we have our Honorable Minister K. Babu who will do the inaugural address. On behalf of NGOC, I welcome Honorable Minister K. Babu to this event. This event and this venue has been under the chairmanship of Honorable MLA Sri B.D. Sadeshan, who is also the KPCC Vice President. B.D. Sadeshan sir has been guiding us for the conduct of this event, but for his invaluable input and guidance, this event would not have happened in a smooth manner. So this event is also happening thanks to the input received from B.D. Sadeshan sir. On behalf of NGOC, I welcome to this event. Anwar sir, Honorable MLA of Alvin, has also been actively involved in this event. On behalf of NGOC, I welcome Anwar sir to this event. Mr. Mohammed Rafiq, the DCP, and he has been the moving force of the district organizing committee as secretary. He has been behind this for the last few months. On behalf of NGOC, I welcome to this event. Mohammed Rafiq sir. Mr. P.Y. Varghese is the Honorable President of the Nedubasheri Grama Panchayat, in which this golf club is situated. On behalf of NGOC, I welcome to this event. And last but not least is Mr. Paulos, who is the ward member of this golf club. On behalf of NGOC, I welcome to this event. Mr. Joby, who is a district panchayat member, on behalf of NGOC, I welcome to this event. This venue has been provided and supported by CIL, the Cochin International Airport Limited. This golf club has been provided by them. I take opportunity also to thank the CIL Golf Club and its director and its team for providing the excellent support for conducting this organization. On behalf of NGOC, I welcome Mr. Nair, the director of CIL, to this event. Thank you. Mr. Pathak is the driving force behind the conduct of this competition. As the competition manager, he will be the strength which will ensure that this 9 days of event takes place without a hiccup. And we are thankful to him for having landed here 2 days before the event and provided the necessary guidance and support. On behalf of NGOC, I welcome to this event. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. I next invite Sri V.D. Sadeshan sir, MLA, Paravur, and KPCC Vice President for the presidential address.
Respected Minister, and all the dignitaries on the dais, and the participants from various parts of India, once again I welcome you all. We are very much privileged and delighted to host this wonderful game in Cochin. I thank the Cochin International Airport authorities for preparing this beautiful ring. I know that this game is not a popular one in Kerala. I hope this will be the beginning to popularize this game in Kerala. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now I invite our Honorable Minister of Excise, Sports and Fisheries, Shri K. Babu sir, for the inaugural function. Sir,
Sri V.D. Sadeshan, the son of this meeting, Sri Anwar Sawant, MLA, Grama Panchayat Mr. Sri Varghese, Sri Mohammed Rafiq, Subodha Varghese, Sri Madhuram Pathak, Competition Manager, Sri Paulos Varnova, Sri S.C.K. Nair, and other officers from CIL. Dignitaries on and off the dais, my dear participants, friends, I extend a hearty and warm welcome to you all. And I think that this is not the time to speak much. So, I wish good luck to you all, and I declare global event of the National Games open. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Next, I invite Sri Anwar Sir, MLA ROLSC, to facilitate the gathering.
ബഹുമാനായ മന്ത്രി കെ ബാബു, ബഹുമാനായ വി സച്ചിദാനന്ദ, മറ്റ് വേദിയിലിരിക്കുന്ന വിശിഷ്ട വ്യക്തികളെ, പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട പ്ലേയേഴ്സ്, ഇന്ന് ഈ നോൺ ബോർഡ് മത്സരം നല്ല രീതിയിൽ തന്നെ ഇവിടെ തുടർന്നു കുറിക്കാൻ പോവുകയാണ്. നാഷണൽ ഗെയിംസ് ഇവിടെ വളരെ വളരെയധികം സന്തോഷം. എല്ലാവർക്കും എല്ലാവരും ഓൾ ദ ബെസ്റ്റ്.
Thank you, sir. Now I invite Shri Madhuban Pathak sir, competition manager, to facilitate the gathering.
Honorable Minister Sir, MLA, Sir, other dignitaries on dais, my fellow friends from media, volunteers and all the technical officers. I will not take much of your time, but I'll put two requests to our Honorable Minister Sir. The one request, I know that this is a private property, but you have constructed a very beautiful game. It is the second glass game in India. I request you to at least open it for kids of Kerala so that they can excel at the national level. At few information about bowling, it is 1,400 years old sport. 1,400 years old sport, originated in UK, but it is being played in India since last 200 years. The oldest bowling green, one of the oldest bowling green is at Calcutta, RCGC Royal Calcutta Golf. Thanks Calcutta. And whatever Indian performance in Commonwealth Games or Asian Games, there are at least 25 Asian medalists here playing here. There are Asian medalists gold medalists also. And these journey you have traveled in 4 and 5 years. Only 4 and 5 years. So this league is made open to everybody. I think it is good for Kerala. Kerala is very good host. Kerala is very good sportsmen, has some responsibility. And especially the volunteers have inspired me.